All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if this is your first time joining us, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And on the channel, we figured out ways to make money online with different products, and we pass that information on to you. We do that through several different series on the channel, all step-by-step instructions on how to get started and how to start making your first income online. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so. We really appreciate it. And if you like this video, leave us a like on it. Today, we're going to go into our daily series, turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, step-by-step, where we're showing you what we do to use Clickbank, and we're able to make money with it. I know a lot of people are struggling out there with trying Clickbank and not making anything at all. So we're showing you how we're able to start turning a profit with Clickbank, and that is through using an email system that automatically drops leads inside for you every single day. So let's jump into Clickbank and just look at some stats like always. Okay, so there's our last sale the other day. Let's jump into our account here. Check out these stats. Let's see. This will be for today. So today so far, we've had 153 clicks to our link. Still two different. This is two different products we've promoted, so we're still getting these residual clicks in from before. And then we're getting 3 visits to our order form today so far. And this is just going to continue because we haven't sent our emails out today yet. So these are still hitting from yesterday and the day before. And a few days ago, these emails are still hitting out there. Let's go ahead and check out the full period. We'll do from January 1st. All right, so from January 1st, we started this. And like I said, all we did, we started just copy and pasting emails from Clickbank into this system, and it was send them for us. We've had 18,784 clicks to our link. We've had 165 initial impressions, which is clicks to our order form. And then we've got 9 sales in for a total of $165.29. So not too bad for 10 minutes of work. And it's not really even work, it's just copy and paste. Let's go ahead and jump into My Lead Gen Secret and get these emails out. Our first account, mailing system. Now, if you haven't seen this setup, go back to video 1 in the series. It's labeled day 1 through 6. And that is where we set up inside Clickbank. We set up the first product, and then we set up our accounts with My Lead Gen Secret. We show you how to do that. We show you how to daisy chain them together so that you can benefit from getting profits from your own self. You get the extra leads, and you get to basically get a discount on your accounts because you get that money back. All right, so we're going to come in here. We're not going to touch this. We're going to hit select all. Today on this account, 11,100 leads is what we're sending to. And I've got the Google Doc up right here. I'm just using it on another page or on another screen. Sorry, we're going to go right here. And I'm going to grab the subject line. This is the same emails that are in the Google Doc below this video. I'm going to grab the entire, well, I'll just show you. So once I've got the subject line in there, I'm going to come down here. I'm going to grab the entire email with my link and everything right to there. Control C. And then I'm just going to highlight here and Control V. Now it's all there. I'm going to get rid of all the bold because I don't want all that bold in there. Just a personal preference. You can leave it if you want. I'm going to change our short code there from where it said, hey name, we're going to go to first name fix right here, the short code in the system. And I got our comment in there already. And we'll come down and throw a signature in. And we'll make our link. Right there, there's mine. I'm going to highlight my link. Control C. And then we'll go place that. Let's see a good spot here. This one will work. I'm going to bold that link. And we usually like to put these in there twice. So let's see. All right, then we'll go and let's see. We need this somewhere else. I like to put this in there twice. Let's just put it here. I'm going to go perfect timing. I'm going to get rid of this link here because I don't need it anymore. All right, that looks pretty good. We're just going to highlight, Control C, and then we're going to send it. All right, now when you get to this point, you're going to just go to your top tab, duplicate, log out. You're going to go to your next account. It's right here. Log in, mailing system, select all, come all the way down and get our email in there. Perfect timing. And then we'll go grab our subject. Control C, Control V. Okay, and then we'll copy this for our next account and then send. So there's 2 down, 3 to go. There we go. All right, I'm going to continue doing mine. I'm going to give you a few minutes of your time back. You don't need to see me send all of those. It's all exactly the same, just copy and paste. Now we're going to continue this every single day. This is what we do. And you've seen we are able to bring in some profit with it. Now, while you're here, check out some of these other series. This one is brand new and it's doing extraordinarily well. This one we're actually able to make a lot of money with. So check this out. It's for HBA. And there are links below every video to show you where to begin. And then you can start making money with all of these products. So be sure to subscribe and give me a like on this video and ring the little bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos coming out. We'll see you on the next video. Later.